If your car has like a water sloshing sound, especially when you first start it up, chances are your cooling system has air bubbles in it. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to bleed it out of this car. Now, if you have a water sloshing sound kind of coming from your dash, but you happen to get water on the floor on the inside of the car, that's going to be a different issue. This is kind of a water gurgling sound. It's coming from the cooling system, and there happens to be air in it. So we're going to go ahead and get this fixed up and back on the road. Start it up and see if you guys can hear it. Alright, so most cars have some type of bleed screw, how to bleed off your cooling system. And this one, I'm going to kind of zoom in here so you can see that screw. I'm going to point to it here real quick. It's right there. You can see it looks like a Phillips screw head. That's the bleed screw for the cooling system. So I'm going to turn it counterclockwise and it's going to bleed out the air. Now this is going to be in different places for different cars. Also, if you have a bad radiator cap, that also might be the culprit. If you have low coolant, that could also be the issue. But we're going to go ahead and bleed out the air in this vehicle. So I'm going to turn this counterclockwise or to the left, and you'll start to see coolant spray out. And you just want that to bleed out a little bit to get all the air bubbles out. As soon as you don't see air bubbles anymore, go ahead and turn it to the right or clockwise and tighten it back up. And that's all there is to it. Now you got no more water sloshing, gurgly sound when you turn on your heater. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.